Okay, so today we have a second class, 10th class. So as part of this class, we are going to discuss about topics like Salesforce lead object, Salesforce opportunity object, and role hierarchy. Okay. Coming to the Salesforce lead object. So last time I had discussed about account and contact object, right? So any doubt in that? No one is having any doubt?
Actually, I did not complete the that class right now. So
Sorry?
सर एक्चुअली मैंने वो क्लास अभी कंप्लीट नहीं किया है तो मुझे उसका आइडिया नहीं है आज देखूंगा सर अभी पेंडिंग अभी सर मेरे उस दिन क्लास
Okay. So today we are going to lead object. So first of all, we have to log into the org and then we have to go to the setup. And under object manager, we have to search for the lead object. So lead is a standard or custom object? Anyone? Or say Firoz?
सर स्टैंडर्ड
Okay. Second. Okay, so from object manager, we have to go to this lead object. So if we have to do any setup or any changes, so we have to go to this object manager and we will get all options here. So here we have API name of the lead object and other details are also there. And if we are going to this field and relationship section, so under this we have all fields related to this lead object, either that is standard or custom. Okay. So here we have some standard fields as well as other custom fields. If we have to create any new field, so here we have new button and I had already explained about the field creation in our earlier classes. So if you have any doubt, then you can go through with that. Okay, and here we have new, and after clicking on that we have to select the data type and then proceed further for the field creation. Okay. Okay, so from here we can select the data type and we can create the field as per our need. Next is page layout. So here we have some existing page layout. If you want to create any new page layout or modify in any existing one, you can select that layout and modify according to your requirement. Okay, suppose I'm going to this lead sales layout. So if you are adding any new field, so you can add from here. If you want to add some sections, you can add section. Okay, if you want any related list, you can add from here. So all those customizations you can do from here. Okay. And even though if you want to add some button, so you can add a button. If you want to remove the button, you can remove from here just by drag and drop. If you want to change the ordering, you can do that. Okay. Lightning record page. So under lightning record page, if you want to create any new page, you can create. Or if you want to assign any lightning record page, So here, from here you can see the assignment and accordingly you can update. Button link and action. So whatever the buttons we have for lead object, those will appear here. And if we want to modify any, so here we have a drop down. From here you can update. Or if you want to create any new button or action, so here we have button for that. You can create a new button from this new action. So from new action, you can create a new action. From new button or link, you can create a new button. Or if you want to create any link, so you can create from here. Okay, like suppose I'm creating any button and I want to redirect to any website or any other link, so we can do through here. We just have to create this button or link, and post that we have to select other things. Second, it's taking time. Like here we have to give the name, display type, is it a list button or detail page button, so you can display from here. Okay, so you're displaying a new window, displaying existing window with sidebar. So all those customization you can do from here. Coming to the next, compact layout. So every object is having their own compact layout, right? So if you want to modify anything in compact layout, you can modify from here. You just do select and then you can update that. If you want to create a new compact layout, here we have new option. Okay, so from here you can create. Or if you want to assign any compact layout, so here we have compact layout assignment, and from there you can update. Okay. Next is field set. I had already explained about field set, right? So we can create field set from here. So here we have new button, and you can create a field set, and you can assign all the field set fields to that field set, and you can use that according to your need. If you want to say the object limit, so from here we have option object limit, and you can check the all the limits we have, and whatever the limits we have utilized so far. Record type, same I had explained for other object. So record type, if you want to create any record type for lead object, so here under record type option we have new and page layout assignment. So if you want to create new record type, so you can create a new record type. If you want to assign some page layout, so here we have page layout assignment. Related lookup filter, if we have any related lookup filter, so that those will appear here. Search layout, if you want to modify anything related to lead object, so you can go to that search layout and modify that search layout. Okay. List view button layout, if you want to add any button or if you want to remove any button from this list view, so you can do from here. We just have to click on this and edit. You can remove any button or you can add. Okay. So either that is a standard button or custom. So as of now, we have not created any custom button on lead, so that's why it's not coming. Else here under custom button, all the custom button will come here. Here it's giving the link. Click here to create a new custom button, new custom list button. So from here you can create, or if you have already, then that will appear here. Okay, so object level access, from here you can check to edit. Okay. Next is trigger. If you want to write any trigger or if you want to modify any trigger related to lead, so here we have option to create lead. Okay, so under this trigger we have new button. You can go ahead and create a new trigger if you don't have any. If you have, then you can modify. If you want to modify or create any flow trigger, so here we have option under this flow trigger, and you can go to the new trigger or you can update to the any existing one. Same way we have validation rule. So whatever the validation rule you will be creating on any object or any lead. Suppose you are creating any validation rule for lead object, so those validation rule will appear here. Or if you want to create a validation rule on lead, so you can come and create this validation rule. Here we have validation rule. Post that it will ask for the name, okay, and accordingly we can insert the field for which field you want to create the validation rule, and what type of error you want to display. So here the error message we have to pass. Conditional field formatting. Here we have option. Okay. So now going to lead object. So suppose I'm going to sales app, and under sales we have this lead tab, right? So once you will click on this lead tab, so here we have option for creating a new lead. So right now we don't have any record type setup, so that's why by default it's opening this layout as per the default layout assignment. If we will have record type for lead, then first of all we have to select the record type here, and then it will go to the respective page. So you just have to fill the basic detail of the lead. Suppose I'm just creating ABC lead status. I'm just giving it open, not contacted. Okay, so ABC, just giving it address. Neitherly, you can select the status zip code. Okay, and you can save it. So we have created the lead, and we can like anyone, I mean, sales representative will work on this, and they will be updating the data according to the need. So we have this pencil icon. So whenever we will click on any pencil icon, so it will be in editable mode. Okay, and we can update this. Here it's on the status base. So if you want to change the status from here, so you just have to select this respective one, working contacted, and you have to mark as a current status. So it will change the current status of the lead status. So here you can see this. We have updated this lead contacted. If I want to close, not converted, so I just have to select this and mark as a current status. So it will change the lead status. Okay, and on the lead we have these buttons. So convert, edit, delete, change owner. Sorry. Okay, so here we have edit, delete, change owner. If you want to change the owner of the lead, so you can do this through this button. If you want to clone and create a new lead, so we have a clone button, and apart from that, we have if you want a printable view, so here we have printable view button. If you want to add any new custom button, so you can add on the top once you will create that button. Okay, so next one we have activity. So whatever the activity you want to perform, like on this particular lead, if you want to log a call, so from here we have option for logging a call. Okay, if you want to create any task, like just for example, I have to connect with this lead at 5 p.m. Right? So you can create a task here, and it will send you the reminder. Okay, so task will help you to close the deal, close that deal. If you want to create an event on this, so you can create from here when that event will start, when that event will end. So you can give the specific date and time and all. And it's related to art. It's related to a account, contact, lead, anything you can. You can select that record and it will create. If you want to send any email, okay, through this lead, so here we have option for email, and we can write that email and then send it to that person. So from here on the lead object level, we have access for the email. Under chatter feed, we have option to post any chatter, and it will be visual to other people. So here, if you will see this, we have post, right? If you want to post any comment or follow up, okay, so those will appear here. So you can see here under post, this lead status got changed, right? So lead status is changed to new, not contacted to working contacted. So we have updated, so that is coming under feed, under post. Same way we have changed the status. So it's populating those data. If you want to post any comment here, you can. Like I am working on this lead and we have a call at 5 p.m. today. Okay, I will just post it. So whoever will have access to this lead, so they will be able to see this message with the current status. If you want to create any poll, so here we have option for creating a poll. For this record, if you want to create any question, so you can create a question. So all those options we have under this chatter. Okay. And a list view I have already explained. So once you will click on this tab, so it will go to the list view. From here you can select the specific list view. Okay, and if you want to create any list view, so here we have option under this setting icon. So here we have option for creating a new list view. If you want to apply some filters, so you can do that. Suppose this recently viewed, right? So from recently viewed, it's not giving option for cloning, right? because it's not applicable. My open leads I have created. So if I want to clone, I can clone and create a new one. I can rename it. Okay. If you want to display any specific field, so you can go to this select fields to display and you can update. So rest other detail about the list view I have already explained in earlier classes, so you can go through with that video. Okay. And you can modify the list view. Here we have filter and all everything. Okay. Any doubt in lead object?
No, sir.
Okay. So